Is shawnshawn. I sell art on eBay and on my website, of course. I want to give you a tip of the day, which is called free day. So free day is the idea of you plan out your week, like say you work 5 days and you plan out 4. So you hit all 4 days really hard schedule. And then what you're going to do is leave that one day free. And doesn't mean you're not going to work then, but what that allows you to do is if you block out that whole day is if you have an emergency, you got that free day to slide into, or you have a special project goes long, you can slide into it. And so what that allows, that one free day, is when you have your 2 days off or 1 day off or whatever you need to recharge, you have those free days really free for the weekend, so you can really recharge, get your time off to really recharge your batteries. So plan really hard your 4 or 5 days, and then have that extra day that you're gonna, like if you work 6 days a week, then plan for 5, leave 1 day free. If you got 5 days a week, plan for 4 days hard, 1 day free. And that doesn't mean you're not gonna work on that day, but you have that 1 day free to slide into emergencies and never go into your weekend per se. And that's my tip of the day.